Tonight, for the first time, leaders in Dane County and the city of Madison, along with community organizations, sat down with people living on the Far East Side to share what they can do to prevent the gun violence there and how it needs to be addressed going forward. But residents tell our Armand Rahman a lot of it, well, they've already heard. Armand?
Most of the event consisted of organizations and elected officials giving presentations. District 3 Alder Derek Field says he organized a meeting to bring together all sides working on the issue of gun violence and engaging with youth. Officials with Public Health of Madison-Dane County say they've been meeting with residents of the Harmony at Grandview Apartments, where 15-year-old Kaisha Miller and 20-year-old Devon Grant were recently shot and killed. After getting feedback, the county says they are reworking their violence prevention action plan.
We've had tons and tons of public safety meetings. We've elicited a lot of feedback, and there really hasn't been a lot of movement and change. But this is a team that's dedicated to reducing violent crime as we see it, and ultimately in a preventive manner. And so we're changing our policies, our processes, our procedures to ensure that we are acting on those things.
People tonight were told to write down questions for elected officials or speakers to answer, which one woman told me off camera that's exactly how meetings at the Meadowlands Apartments have gone, and she didn't feel heard there either. Another man told me we should be learning from people on the front lines who have lost loved ones to gun violence.
Because those are the people who need to be heard, and we need to know that the work that we're doing is really helping individuals like them. The one thing we didn't talk about is race. It plays a major factor in all of this, right? And it would be nice to be able to see the people who look like the individuals in those communities actually at the table, having a voice, being heard.
Madison police also shared their investigations into the recent shootings, how they are going. A representative from Royal Capital, managers of the Harmony Apartments, was also available for questions. And Moms Demand Action provided free gun locks and encouraged parents when sending their kids to other houses to ask if there are guns there and if they are secured and stored properly.